So today I'm going to be unboxing Melbees, and we already know it's going to be great. So I got 2 boxes in the mail today, so let's see what's inside. Yeah, so first I'm going to be opening the big box first, and I'm excited. Oh my god guys, oh my god, look at this pretty thank you card. Oh my god, look at all the good things written. Know the joy of wearing colorful, the true colors. Very nice. So first we have necklace, like oh my god, look at how colorful and cute it is. Next we have bracelets, like guys, look at how many designs and varieties they have. And we have my favorite, bows. Like there's nothing better than bows. Now moving on to the small box, we have another thank you card. Like I feel like every single thank you card is so pretty. First, this is another cute necklace guys. Look, this is like a beautiful heart necklace. Here we have more bracelets. Like these are so cute. So I'm gonna try them all on. First I'm gonna be starting with the necklaces. First we have the necklace, which is so cute guys, it's so cute. Along with it we also have a bracelet. Admit it, there's nothing better than a necklace and a bracelet. Next we have a beautiful heart, which is beautiful heart necklaces, which is for your glasses. Can't wait. So I'm gonna put it on my glasses real quick. Okay guys, look how cute it is. Like, come on, it's cute. Next, I'll be opening the bows. So, I'm already in love with these things. Oh, looking like they have a unicorn, they have a mermaid, they have another unicorn. There can't be enough unicorns in this world. So I'm gonna put this on. Look at it guys, look at it, it's so cute. Now we're gonna go with this. So these are bracelets. So the cool thing about this is that you can tie it up easily, like this. See, it's so cute. They have it in so many different designs. They have it in sunflowers, they have it in beads, like anything you imagine. Next we have more, like there can't be enough bracelets, and these are even more cute. Like look at this guys, look at them. So I think I'll try the llama for sure. I'm gonna try and get it out. I'll do this. So this is a butterfly. Like it's so cute. There's a thing on it. Now I'm gonna put this on. Again, it's really easy to tie it now. Look at it. And that's it. They have so many more products, and if you want these for your family members or even your friends, these are amazing guys, so make sure you buy it. Bye.